Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. I thought I'd do a flip through of my Mission Inspiration Journal now that I've filled all the pages. It's a converted travel magazine, and you can see it's like massively packed. Sorry, I was kind of off screen there for a minute. But I just went simple with the cover because I figured why not. But yeah, we're going to do a flip through. You can see what I did. The last one I put in there is February 2020. And the very first one was July of 2018. So that's how long I've been using this journal. I've missed a few months. I haven't done every single month. I kind of slacked off after the first few years. But yeah, anyway, let's go in. This one, you can tell it's a travel journal. Travel brochure. This was an original page and this was an original page, and I really liked how this one turned out. I liked the sort of rust and having it peel back and reveal Alaska. I thought that was really fun. So this is one of my more favorite ones. I've got gears all buried in the rust there. And then again with the travel, so these came from different pages. I just stuck them on there. It's gotten a little damp because I've been using it. I didn't do these all in order, so this one's January 2019. This one was September 2019. But like I said, I have some 2018 in here too. To make sure I've glued pages together. Oh, that one. Ugh. That was December 2019. We'll just skip that one altogether. This one, I really like this one too. It has more of that sort of rusty, gritty stuff going on. This was June of 2020. And if you can't read the quote, it's discover still around the corner there may wait a new road or a secret gate. Yeah. Alright. Next one. The next one, somehow I got upside down. Blossom by Blossom Spring Begins. That was in March of 2019. And then this one, this was just February. So this one, and all of these are videos. I will try to put them all in a playlist. So you can look for ones if you're interested in how I did a certain thing or whatever. You can look there. This one's September 2018. I still like those colors and I still love feathers. Not much has changed. And then this was January 2020. We will forever be known by the tracks we leave behind us. Now, if you're not familiar with Mission Inspiration, it's a series of prompts that you follow the prompts and you do what it says, and so it kind of directs how your page is going to end up. This one's May 2019. A couple years ago he did change it so it's less prompts. You don't have to do them in a particular order, and then it's color and suggestions. So this one was April of 2020. Life is not a battle to win, but a melody to sing. I think we're all kind of in lockdown at that point. And yes, I had to re-glue the pages back together because they got a little too full. So this one's July of 2018. And I don't remember the theme, but joy seems to be standing out. You probably can't see the joy as well as all the other ones in white. Okay. And this one was October 2019. And then this one was July 2019. It was very hot, so it was like, if you saw a heat wave, would you wave back? I thought that was pretty funny. That one was hard to come up with something with the different prompts, but I got it out there in the end. This one's February of 2020. Best friends always stick together. I layered a whole bunch of stuff and then mask, kind of tried to white it out to create the images. Then obviously a Christmas one, December of 2018, and it's shiny. This one, another travel-y one. And this picture and this picture are both part of the original page. And yeah. No matter where or why you travel, there's always something new, something wonderfully new to be found. And then this one's another favorite. And it was from November 2019. And this one is January 2021, so a recent one. You know, the art journal book I did before this one for Mission Inspiration was 1 page, and I switched to 2 pages, and it made it hard to like come up with stuff that like filled the whole page. This one is April 2019, Grace. I do still like that one too. Love my little butterflies. And then Live in Peace, Spring Will Come and the Flowers Will Bloom Themselves. That was March 2020. And then this one, Fearless Queen, and that was August of 2018. And my mermaid. Always be yourself. Unless you can be a mermaid, then always be a mermaid. I couldn't get her eyes right, so I closed them. And the paint on there, like I've got paper glued down and then paint over it's cracking. So she's got some really cracky skin. Probably can't see it from there, but... And then this one, February 2019, Stay with the Magic. And it's got sparkle. It's hard to tell, but that leaf sparkles. And then, oh, skipped one. Lots of flowery ones. This was October 2018. Love is a flower that grows in any soil. And that was an original picture, part of the magazine. Kind of went with the colors. The colors are on the mission. So you kind of go with the colors that are suggested. And that kind of went with it, so I left it. And then Let Your Dreams Blossom, that's June 2019. And then Just Breathe, and that's so much I can't even tell. August 2019. I was a bit busy. Oh yeah, and then Flights of Fancy, that was May 2020. And that is it. I mean, it's not a ton, it's just really fat. And I think next time if I use one of those, I will like tear out some pages, glue them together so it's not so fat. I did tear out a few pages, but I used, like I glued 2 or 3 pages together to make them sturdy. For my next one, I think I'm going to try doing, do you think I can go from, oh, we are not looking at that page. Something that big. Go from something that big to something this small for Mission Inspiration. Anyways, I made one of Mike Deacon's triangle journals. Doesn't lay as flat as his. I think I got these up a little too high, but this is my journal. And next month, since March is in a whole different thing, so March is one all by its lonesome. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it below. Well, it'll be part of the playlist that I link below. And then, starting in April, I'll use this thing. We'll give it a try. See if I can do something that small. 1 page per month. And that should last me 12 months. Not starting in January, but that's okay. Well, I hope you liked my flip through. All my crazy pages. I still like that one. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see how they were created, check out the playlist in the description box below. This one will be there too, and this is my future. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.